We're going to learn how to draw the sharks on the painting that we did last week with the different values. We're going to be drawing our sharks going around the white center, and I'm going to ask that you guys do at least one shark. I'm going to show you two sharks, but you do not have to do both. You do have to do one of them, and then you can pick two other things to do. So I'm going to show you how to do a sea turtle. You could do that. I'm going to show you how to do a jellyfish. You could do that. I'm going to, we could do fish. There's a bunch of other stuff, coral, seaweed. So you can add all of that extra stuff, but I need at least one shark. So basically what we're doing is we're breaking it down into shapes. And the first shark that I'm going to show you is this shark right here. And we're just going to do the body first without the fins. And it kind of looks like a high heel shoe almost. And then we're going to add the fins on. So basically the back of the shark curves down at the same angle almost as the circle. And then the head is kind of a sideways triangle. Remember, this is oil pastel, so you can't erase, and I can't give you another paper, so just go slow. Draw small, because I would rather you make a mistake and then just draw it bigger. But if you start with like a shark this big, you can't really get any bigger. So go small first and do like a baby shark, and then you can always go bigger. Then you kind of have, it comes to a point, and then it kind of comes back out for the bottom of the mouth. And then its belly kind of dips down and then curves back up. So the basic shape, and before I start coloring it in, I want to make sure it's right, is kind of almost like a hockey stick or a golf club. Do you guys see that? Mm-hmm. And then once I get it right, I take my time and color it in. And I'm going to go back and fix any of the like little blue spots that are showing through. I'll go back and fix later. The next step, I'm just going to do this all at once, and then it's recorded so we can play it back step by step. The next step is a backwards S for the tail. Once I get that kind of backwards S and make it bigger, then I go ahead and add the top dorsal fin and the fin on this side. So once I get that one done, I'm going to move to the other one, and this one's easy. This one is a lot easier. It's kind of almost like an apostrophe mark for the body. Then the tail kind of stems out like a boomerang. Then we've got two fins going back like this. And two little like gill type fins going back right here. Now if you want to make this one a hammerhead shark, it's pretty easy. You just, once you have, that's one shark, okay? But if you wanted to make it a hammerhead shark, bring it out like this. And there's my hammerhead shark. Okay? Then sea turtle. Sea turtle's just going to be an oval. The head comes out like that. It's got little legs going back and a tiny tail. Super easy. What else could we add? Seaweed from the bottom. We could add coral We could add fish. We could add bubbles. If you want to add bubbles, I'll get you white. Jellyfish. Hold on one second. I'm going to get you a different color for jellyfish. Jellyfish are going to be white with another color. I don't have white next to me, so I'm just going to do a different color. They're kind of like a bell shape. And then have little tentacles.